Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards, and I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, Gemini. So you can watch that reading. That reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And Gemini, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting today in your circumstances. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies first. In your circumstances, Five of Swords in reverse, King of Pentacles, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So, Gemini, you are a very talented person, kind, compassionate, loving, and caring, and you're wishing good things for this person. And you want a beautiful relationship with this person. And today, in your circumstance, there are certain things happening, maybe some arguments, some troubles, misunderstanding. So, though you are trying to do things the right way, though you are doing your best, trying to resolve this circumstance, things are not going as you had hoped for. So, some misunderstandings are there with this person, and you are trying to solve your situation. You are trying to bring clarity, some kind of understanding. But no matter what you do, this person is not someone who listens to you, and um, they are there is a lot of confusion. You don't know what they are thinking or planning. Maybe because they are quite jealous of you. You are in a good position in your life. You're doing well in your career, and things are good in your personal life. Your the way of living or whatever you are a very confident person, and this person, they see you and they are not so happy about their life. They are quite jealous of you. So that may be the reason they are not telling you something important. So though you are having good intentions towards this person, you love them deeply and you want this relationship to flourish, and you're trying your best, but still this person may not tell you the truth, whatever they are thinking and planning, because they are feeling quite insecure about themselves and they are not willing to tell you the truth. So we will see what is the card. It's Seven of Wands. So with this card, I feel that it will be a very difficult work for you to bring this understanding with this person. So you are making the efforts you need to do, Gemini, and however hard you are trying, maybe for some of you, I see that this person will understand you or there will be a change in your circumstance, but it all depends on luck or destiny. For most of you, I feel that the efforts you are making today in this connection will help you. But for some of you, I feel that circumstances may not change, Gemini, though you are doing your best. Maybe this person cannot relate with you in a truthful way. So they feel very much insecure, not happy about their life, and not confident about themselves, and they do not trust you. That is the reason for the way things are going in your life today, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Judgment. So in your circumstance today, You have made your efforts and you are confident about your efforts and you have worked with dedication. So maybe even if you see some troubles today, you can rest assured that things will fall into place because all that work you did with devotion and dedication will never be wasted, Gemini. So, good circumstances are waiting to unfold in your work situation. So, that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Please stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So, for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. So, this card just means that you are happy where you are right now. And this card is about a new cycle in your life. Something good is coming for you. And you are going to be so gorgeous, beautiful, and you are going to enjoy the limelight. People are looking at you, watching you for your talents and skills. And if you are thinking of someone, if you find someone interesting and you wish for this person to see you, you wish for this person's attention, and it is going to be there today. And it may not happen by itself, but you need to do your bit, whatever efforts needed on your part. And this is the time for you to be happy about yourself, be proud of what you are today. And if you are thinking of some new projects in your career, something you are hoping to begin or hoping to see the beginning today, it is going to begin in a wonderful way, and there is a good news waiting for you to come. And a lot of people are watching you, appreciating you, and admiring you today, guys. And things are going in a very beautiful way. And this is the time for you to show the world who you truly are, your skills, talents, and your true nature. And you need to what to say, gift yourself, enjoy this time, because you have done it, you have done something splendid, and you need to pat yourself and enjoy the success, happiness, or some achievement you are seeing today in your situation. So it may be a happy news in your work, or uh, a beautiful next step in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading. So we will see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, no place like home. So this card means that you need to be authentic to your true intentions, what you truly are, and feeling at home, feeling comfortable about yourself, about your characteristics, about your circumstances. So, when you are in a relationship, when you are in sync, full of love, kindness, and when that love is being reciprocated, you will have that emotional safety, feeling of comfort, and sense of belonging. So, these are the best aspects of familiarity you are enjoying today in your situation. So, when you are authentic, you will achieve all these, and you are going to add to the love of your circumstance. So, each of both of you are going to build a beautiful relationship based on trust, love, and a very deep bond and understanding truth. So, the same way in your work circumstances, whatever choices you make, if you make it honestly, if you make it immersed on your intentions, whatever you truly believe in, you are going to accept this journey as it is. So sometimes you may see success, sometimes failure, but no matter what you see, you will be happy because it is your truth within your heart relating in your work choices. So when you do that, you will see divinity in all things, and abundance is a natural result when this happens, guys. So when you're making authentic choices, you will always succeed, so you must never forget that. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So being authentic is going to open your life to happiness, joy, success, prosperity, and abundance. So that is the energy with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.